Hi everyone. We got this new cuckoo clock here, and there's a real bird in there. And on every hour it comes out, and Ocean and I feed the bird. Isn't that right, Ocean? Say yes.
Yes.
Do you like the bird?
Yeah.
It's a cute bird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's yellow.
It's a yellow bird. I think it's a finch. I'm not sure. He flew in there when we got it, so we feed him, and he's fixing to pop out. We gotta get ready. Could happen any second.
Ocean, what did you name the bird?
What's the name of the bird?
Cracker.
The name of the bird is Cracker. Cracker. You better get out of here, Cracker. All right, so here we go. Looks like it's going to be hitting 6 o'clock here in Savannah, Georgia. Ocean's getting ready. The bird's going to be coming out. He's a cute bird. Come on out, Cracker. It's 6 o'clock. You better hurry. We're getting tired of waiting. Ocean's arm's getting tired. Is your arm getting tired?
Yeah.
Her arm's getting tired. See? Okay, wait a minute. Looks like it's going to happen. Come on. What's taking so long here? Looks like it's 6 o'clock. Okay, hold on, Ocean. We're waiting. The thing is clicking. Oh, here it goes. Feed it. Get it. Oh, good job, Ocean. Here, let me show you the bread. See, he took a big piece of bread off there. Did you see that? That bird knows how to eat. Anyway, happy 6 o'clock, everyone. Bye.
Ocean, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Cracker.